You can make the best Brazilian coffee cookies with this quick and easy recipe. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of delicious treats and mouth-watering recipes. Today, we're excited to share with you a classic recipe from Brazil, Brazilian coffee cookies. These cookies are perfect for any coffee lover, with a delicious combination of coffee and chocolate flavors. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, at room temperature, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons instant coffee, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1/4 cup milk. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, instant coffee, and salt. In a separate bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Slowly add the flour mixture to the butter mixture, mixing until well combined. Fold in the chocolate chips. Using a small cookie scoop or a tablespoon, scoop the dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, Brazilian coffee cookies. These cookies are perfect for a morning or afternoon snack, and they pair perfectly with a cup of coffee. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and food-related content. Thanks for watching. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.